The Ohio Lake Erie Commission was established in 1992, and for the past 30 years, the Commission has been working to preserve, protect, and promote life on Lake Erie. We've used voluntary donations from Ohioans to support more than 400 grants to conduct economic and scientific research and implement clean water, public access, and economic development projects on Ohio's Lake Erie. Over the past 30 years, we've celebrated the beauty and essence of Lake Erie through the Life on Lake Erie photo contest, receiving more than 4,000 photo submissions and increased shoreline visits from both Ohio residents and visitors. We have coordinated programs that focus on nutrients, areas of concern, and dredge material management in the Lake Erie watershed, spearheaded efforts to fully divert dredge sediment from Toledo Harbor away from in-lake disposal, delisting Ohio's first area of concern in the Ashtabula in 2001, and, since 2010, continuing progress on the removal of more than 1 million cubic yards of contaminated sediments, leading the coordination of Governor DeWine's H2 Ohio program in the Lake Erie watershed. Since 1997, Ohioans have voluntarily contributed $9.6 million to the Lake Erie Protection Fund, which supports a cleaner and more economically successful Lake Erie. Since 2008, Ohio residents from all 88 counties have purchased and proudly display more than 187,000 Lake Erie license plates. The Commission's work over the past 30 years has provided investments in communities across the Lake Erie watershed, resulting in today's progress in beach monitoring, restoration of rivers, streams, and coastlines, and strategies to reduce nutrients. Visit lakeerie.ohio.gov to learn more about Ohio Lake Erie Commission programs and how we are working for Lake Erie's future.